Hey you guys, I'm back at it again with another wig review. Ooh, my eyes look possessed. I know you're like, what is up with your eyes, girl? But you're gonna see why I did my makeup like this. But I'm gonna do a review. I brought this wig from Amazon. It's from the company Blue Pill. Blue Pill? It's like purple but blue pill. This company. Especially for you. I got this from Amazon. It's supposed to be a neon wig, but it looks yellow. Ooh, it's bright. Ooh. It looks bright in the camera, but it's kind of like, it's green, but close to yellow. So far, taking out the hair, I mean, it's synthetic, but it kind of looks a little bit Halloween-y to me, but we're gonna make it work. What I'm thinking about doing, I'm thinking about cutting it into a bob, because I've been wanting to rock a neon green bob, and I'm just trying to, you know, try something different. So let's see how it looks so far. Whew. Be advised, this is my first time wearing a color like this, so this is so new to me. Ooh, this is bright. I mean, the hair is a little pre-plucked. The lace is kind of thin. It's not really lacy, if that's even a word. It does have parting space in the middle. As you can see, it has parting space. 2 combs on the side. 2 combs on the side. 2 combs in the middle. No comb in the back, but it does have the adjustable straps. So I'm going to see if I can, you know, tweak it and, you know, make it XOXO Mochaccino approve. And just part it in the middle, so you can part it. I don't know. I'll probably put some concealer.
Bust down, bitch. Said I want your man, no the fuck I don't fit. See a rich nigga, why you still hitting licks? Nigga spinning bread, but he still can't hit. Bitch, please.
Okay, so I finished cutting the wig. I cut it into a bob because it's still a little too much for me. I look like a highlighter, but I'm trying to be open-minded.
No, I'ma make this shit grip. A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
Alright. So I'm not gonna say I hate it, but I really don't care for it. Like, I don't like it. Oh, for you birds out there, I know my hair is right here, because y'all be so quick to say something. Oh, but I see this, or I see that. I know, sis. I see it too. Okay? I don't know, maybe if I make it like a little bit longer. I don't know, it doesn't make me feel a little bit comfortable. I'm still not I'm still not like, yay, yes, bitch. I try to be open-minded, like I really did. Like, I was excited. I'm like, you know what, I'm about to make this a bomb, but it looked like it's a bomb, like a bright green sour apple ass bomb. Like, what the? Okay, I have a lot of reasons why I don't like this hair. Apparently, I don't like the way it looks on me. Like I said, I'm not used to doing bright colors like this. I don't know, maybe I just gotta go slow, or maybe I'll just walk around commenting like I know I'm the bomb. Maybe it'll work for me, but I'm just not, I'm not feeling it. Reason number 2, and I try to like put mascara on the root to make like dark roots, but I still don't like it. Another reason why I don't like this, well, I had it, it's a middle part, but when it was in the middle, it looked way uglier to me, and I said, oh no, I'm not putting this in the middle. Maybe if I cut it some more, I don't know. Another reason why I don't really like this hair, it was hard to work with. Like, I know it's synthetic hair and all, but my God, like, this hair was hard to cut. Every time you brush it, you'll see, like, you'll brush it, like, okay, it's not really doing it now, thank God, but it's gonna do it soon. Well, here we go, it's doing it. This is my issue. Like, you'll brush it and then the little fly will fly right back in my face or in my mouth. It don't stay in place. Yeah, I don't like none of this at all. Like, I try to play with it, I don't know. Unless maybe if I rock it like on some mysterious in my face Aaliyah shit. Maybe, okay. Maybe if I rock it like this, it's cool, I guess, it's okay. But other than that, okay, you know what? This is actually okay. Like, if I rock it like this. Okay. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. It was a fail to me. I mean, the reason I got this here because I wanted to try something new. Because I'm going on vacation next month. I'm going to Vegas. And I'm trying to be like on some, I'm gonna wear a different wig every day. Be like 5 different people every day. But I don't know. I don't know about this wig, y'all. I don't know. Oh, yeah. I don't know. I guess you guys can tell me what you think in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. All my old subscribers, thank you. All my new subscribers, what up? Click that notification bell on the bottom so you can know when I provide new content. You guys can follow me on Instagram at XOXOMochaccino _ in the middle. Yeah, just I'm sorry, yeah. I don't know, just see, this hair got me so fucked up. I don't even know what to say. Like, I got so excited. Like, ooh, I don't know. Yeah, bye.
Type bigger, that's my type. New wrist, new whip, right around dipped. I can see why all these basic hoes pissed. Messy hoes like